Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Sir Jayvee, at welcome po sa Hugot, Sipnayan. And para sa video natin guys, this will be continuation of our discussion on grade 10 Mathematics. And this time we're going to deal with series and sequence. Arithmetic sequence ang bibigyan pansin natin guys ngayon. And we're also going to identify what arithmetic sequence is at maghanap tayo ng two terms given under an arithmetic sequence. So, I know you're excited. Let's have our discussion, guys. So, basically, we're talking about sequence. So, what is a sequence? Ang sequence, guys, are set of numbers followed by each other in a logical manner. So, mag-aamal lang siya, guys, ng logical manner if and only if it follow a certain rule. At yung rule na yun, guys, ang magbibigay ng continuous process doon sa ating sequence. Now, A sub N ang tawag sa general term ng ating sequence. At ngayon guys, bibigyan pa natin kung paano ba nagkakameron tinatawag nating mga sequence. Ito guys yung mga type ng mga sequence. First is arithmetic sequence, followed by geometric sequence. Number 3 is harmonic sequence. At number 4, Fibonacci sequence. Di ko lang tama yung basa ko, but it's Fibonacci sequence. Now, ano bang gagawin natin discussion dito? So, let's have some example. Let's have first define what arithmetic sequence. Ang arithmetic sequence, guys, sequence ng mga number na kung saan yung difference between one term to another is constant. So, yung consecutive terms natin, isa lang guys sa kanilang difference. At ang tawag sa difference na yun ay common difference. So how are we going to look forward with those things at paano natin siya isosolve? No, kailangan guys, before we try to solve arithmetic sequence at saka maghanap ng mga terms sa kanya, ang kailangan nating malaman guys, paano ba masasabi na arithmetic sequence ang sa sequence? So we're going to identify whether they are arithmetic sequence or not. So that will be our first rule. So number 1, our given is 2, 5, 8, 11, and 14. So we're looking for the possibility that it's an arithmetic sequence or not. So based on this example guys, kung i-minus natin yung second term to the first term and the third term to the second term and same thing will be done on the rest of the term. So napapansin nyo guys, ang common difference niya ay 3. Ito po, 3. So, pag in elaboration guys, ganyan na magiging given niya. So, common difference nga ay 3, hence yung ating given ay arithmetic sequence. So, definitely, the reason why we're talking about arithmetic sequence is that we have a common difference sa nila. At kailangan guys, kapag minus mo sila, may common difference, automatic sila po ay arithmetic sequence. Let's continue with number 2. Example number 2, is that an example of arithmetic sequence or not? So, base po sa common difference nila, so 2 minus 1 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2, 7 minus 4 is 3, 11 minus 7 is 4. Definitely guys, that's not a common difference because, so 1, 2, 3, 4, sabihin magkaiba siya. Hence, this is not a arithmetic sequence. So, therefore, mali po yan. Hindi po siya arithmetic sequence. So we're going to identify the next number whether they're arithmetic sequence or not. So 0, 4, 8, 12, and 16. So definitely 4 minus 0 is 4, 8 minus 4 is 4, 12 minus 8 is 4, 16 minus 12 is 4. Definitely common difference na ay 4. Ibig sabihin, ito po ay arithmetic sequence. Okay? We'll continue with number 5 example. 41, 35, 29, 23, and 17. So, getting their difference, that will be negative 6. So, yun po yung sagot. And definitely, this is arithmetic sequence. Okay? So, guys, ang arithmetic sequence, ang common difference niya will not only be possible for positive numbers, but also on negative numbers. Kung napansin nyo, yung kanina pataas, ito naman pababa. And definitely that is a sign that the sequence or the common difference of the sequence is a negative number. So number 5, is that an example of arithmetic sequence? Definitely no. So 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 5 minus 3 is 0. And definitely they do not have any common difference. Definitely they're not arithmetic sequence. So how do we find the next term of arithmetic sequence? Usually, we do this term. So by looking on the arithmetic sequence, getting their difference, guys, we're just going to add the common difference on the last term para makuha yung susunod na term natin. For example, ang difference natin ay 3. So definitely, plus 3 lang para makuha yung next term. Another plus 3 doon sa nakuha mo para makuha mo yung sunod na term. Para malaman natin whether you understand our discussion about arithmetic sequence or not, I'm going to give you this item, guys. This will be good for 3 minutes only. And kailangan, guys, identify nyo whether they are said to be an arithmetic sequence or not. So you're going to write AS if they're arithmetic sequence and not kapag hindi. So, madali lang to, guys, ha. Just look for the common difference. At kapag may common difference, matik po na sila ay arithmetic sequence. So, timer start now. Okay, time's up, guys. Now, let's have our discussion about this item. So, ang gagawin natin ay lalagay natin kung AS siya or not. So let us reveal our answer. So, number 1 is not. Number 2 po ay AS kasi po ang common difference niya ay 4. Number 3 po ay AS, ang common difference niya ay negative 3. Number 4 po ay not. At number 5 ay not. I hope guys, tinamaan niyo po yung mga item na yon. So, let's have some example guys. Kaya ito as example para dun sa ating common difference. For example guys, yung number 2. Ang common difference ito guys ay, alam nyo na, 4. Ano yung kasunod ng 39? So, 39 po kasunod niya guys ay 43. Kasi 39 plus 4 ay 43. Yung 43 plus 4, 47. So, since ito ay arithmetic sequence, madali po yun. So, dito po ay 43 at 47. Kasi nga po, plus 4. So, ganun guys ang pagkuha ng next two term. Sa number 3, ganun din. Kung meron tayong 6 plus negative 3, that will become a positive 3, tapos another negative 3, that will be 0. So, dito po ay 3 at 0. So, ang ginawa po, dinagdag natin yung plus negative 3. And definitely, sa integers, magmaminus tayo kapag gano'n. Okay? So, we do not need further example on those items kasi napakadali lang yun para sa mga grade 10 na katulad ninyo. Now, let's try those items, guys. So simple lang naman, guys. We're just going to look for the common difference and therefore, pwede ka nang mag-add on this item. This will be good for 5 minutes, guys. So, we're just going to look for the next two term of this arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence na to, guys. Kaya, just look for the common difference para masagutan po ninyo. And 5 minutes start now. Okay guys, time's up. Let's have our number 2 activity. For number 2, ang sagot po ay number 1 natin ay 32 at saka po 35. Paano po yun? Kasi po yan ay plus 3 ang ating common difference. For number 2, that would be 14 and 18. Kasi po yan ay plus 4 ang difference. So number 3 po, that would become a negative 1 and a negative 4. Kasi po yan ay negative 3 ang common difference. And for number 4, that will be 59 and 66 kasi po ang common difference na ay 7. At para guys naman sa number 5, ang common difference po natin ay negative 2. Kaya po ang given natin ay ganyan. So, that will be negative 7 at negative 9. And I hope guys, na nyo yung discussion natin about this one, arithmetic sequence and common difference. At maraming salamat po guys sa pag-visit sa aking channel. And don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. Para po sa next video natin guys, this time maglahanap naman tayo ng mga term on those arithmetic sequence. So God bless po guys and ingat. See you again guys on our next video. Mabuhay po kayo and God bless.